A very good afternoon to class 4 once again, as we are going to start a new chapter of chapter number 10 on your page number 65. If you open your book, you will see on the page number 65 there is a small poetry titled From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert Louis Stevenson was born in 1850 or in the year of 1850 in a country named Scotland. He was a great Scottish poet and a novelist. His well-known novels we can see that including Treasure Island, Kidnapped and The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. He has written many more stories and the poetry for the children. And we see that there is another quality in him, that he was having a strong desire to travel the world. As we see, there is a small poetry, he has written travel. In this poetry we can see that he is talking about the happiness are found while we explore the new lands or while traveling to a new places. As we start the chapters from a railway carriage, we should discuss something before that. From this title we would able to understand that the poet is talking about an experience from a railway carriage, where we can see all of us have traveled in a train or railway carriage. So first of all we should know the word carriage. What does it mean? Carriage means it is a thing where we carry something. or যদি আমরা বাংলায় বলি ক্যারিয়েজ কাকে বলবো, যে সেই জিনিসটাকে, যে জিনিসটা দিয়ে আমরা কোনো জিনিস ক্যারি করি, অর্থাৎ সেটা মানুষ হতে পারে, সেটা কোনো জিনিস হতে পারে. সো ইট ইজ এ থিং where we carry passengers or maybe goods means জিনিসপত্র. So these are called carriage. As we know that in train there is a compartment and each compartment are called also bogies. So এই যে ট্রেন 12 অথবা 10 বগিজ অথবা 10 অ্যাপার্টমেন্ট জুড়ে তৈরি করা হয়. সো ইচ একটা বগিকে আমরা অ্যাপার্টমেন্ট বলছি বা ক্যারিয়েজ বলছি. সো the poet is going to talk about in this poetry that how a small boy is taking a travel or having a journey in this railway carriage and what are the things he is experiencing. And if you have traveled in a train, you will see that all of us are having urge to get a seat beside the window. Why? Because when the train moves, we get the breezes, আমরা বাতাস পাই, and we can see the beautiful scenario or environment outside of the window, and it looks so beautiful while the train moves or while the train goes faster. Now as we start the poetry, we will able to understand what the poet is trying to tell us in this poetry. Faster than the fairies, faster than the witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows and the horses and castle. So in these 4 lines the poet is talking about the train moves faster than the fairies অর্থাৎ পরি, faster than the witches অর্থাৎ যে মহিলা কালা জাদু করে, অর্থাৎ এদের গতিবেগের থেকেও কিন্তু ট্রেন অতি দ্রুত বেগে সামনের দিকে এগিয়ে চলেছে. Then it leaves the bridges and the houses, hedges and ditches. সমস্ত ধরনের বন জঙ্গল, বাড়ি ঘর, ব্রিজকে পেছনে ফেলে এ কিন্তু দ্রুত বেগে এগিয়ে চলেছে. And charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows and the horses and cattle. অর্থাৎ এই horses, cattle, meadows অর্থাৎ এই ঘাসের যে তৃণভূমি, অর্থাৎ এই তৃণভূমি নানা রকম সবুজায়ন যে জমি দেখি আমরা যখন ট্রেন ছুটে চলে, আশেপাশে বাড়ি ঘর, জমি, ফসল জমি অথবা ঘোড়া গরু সমস্ত কিছু কিন্তু এ পেছনে ফেলে অতি দ্রুততার সঙ্গে পেছনে ফেলে এগিয়ে চলে। All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as a driving rain. অর্থাৎ এই সমস্ত সাইড, অর্থাৎ এই সমস্ত দৃষ্টি আমরা যখন বাইরে তাকাচ্ছি, এই রেলওয়ে ক্যারিয়েজের বাইরে দেখছি, তখনই কিন্তু আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে হাউসেস, হিলস, রিভার, ইচ অ্যান্ড এভরিথিং ইজ গোয়িং ব্যাক অ্যান্ড দ্য ট্রেন ইজ মুভিং ফাস্টার অ্যান্ড ফাস্টার। And ever again in the wink of an eye, painted station whistle by. Here is a child who clambered and scrambles all by himself and gathering blumbers. Here is a tramp who stands and gauges, and here is a green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart runway in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse of and gone forever. অর্থাৎ আমরা এই যে পোয়েট্রিটা পড়ছি, এই পোয়েট্রির মধ্যে প্রতিটা লাইনে দেখতে পাবে হয়তোবা কোনো মানুষের ব্যাপারে, হয়তোবা কোনো জিনিসের ব্যাপারে, হয়তোবা কোনো অ্যানিমালসের ব্যাপারে বলছে। অর্থাৎ এই যে সিনারিওগুলো কবি রবার্ট লুইস স্টিভেনসন সাজিয়েছেন, এর মধ্যে এই সিনারিগুলো এই ছোট্ট বাচ্চা ছেলেটার চোখে পড়ছে, বাট এ কিন্তু প্রপারলি সেগুলোকে দেখতে পাচ্ছে না। অর্থাৎ অনেক সময় ধরে যে তাকে দেখে বুঝবে সেই সময়টুকু কিন্তু পাচ্ছে না। অর্থাৎ এভরিথিং, অল দিস সিনারিও ইজ গোয়িং পাস অর পাসিং বাই দিস ট্রেন উইথ আ গ্লিমস অর উইথ আ উইঙ্ক। উইঙ্ক মিন্স চোখের পলকে কিন্তু এই সমস্ত কিছু তার ট্রেনের পাশ দিয়ে পিছিয়ে যাচ্ছে, অর্থাৎ বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে। অর্থাৎ the poet is talking about here is a sharp example of a boy who is experiencing a journey in a railway carriage, where we can noticed, where he can witnessing, where he can looking at the outside of the window and can notice each and everything scenario what is going through his eyes or in front of his eyes and passes by this train. The poet is talking and poet is giving a short message in this poetry that if you have ever traveled, maybe you have noticed or maybe you have not, so next time when we are going to travel in a train, we are going to see how the things, how the animals, how the natural things or the nature is showing from a railway carriage, or we can see the outside of the window from the railway carriage. So this experience the poet is sharing with us, how the train moves faster than each and everything. As we know that the transportation of the land, there is no transportation goes very faster than the train or railway carriage. So this was the small poetry, and there is nothing much more to be understood and very easy to get each and every message from this poetry. You go through this, you will be able to understand. Then you go to the next pages. If you go to the next pages, you will see that new words to know. As we know that we have to learn them by heart, copy them down in your English CW copy and learn them properly. Next time I will upload everything what is given in Word Wonder and Language Lab. If you are able to do, you can carry on, go ahead. And those who are not able, those who will not able to do, don't worry, I will be there. I will help you out while I'll upload these pages for you. You can copy down in your book as well as in your copy. So thank you so much, class.